Hi, today we're taking this cargo ladder, mounting it on this Sprinter, and you can follow along to see how we do it. This is a reinforcement bracket. Within the kit for the cargo ladder you can find two rubber washers. You can stick them onto the bolt holes from this side, and then you will need to mount it onto the cargo ladder. Make sure to leave these a little loose still, so you have some play in this assembly when you're finally installing it. Coming back to the van, you need to open the door, and any paneling that's on this side, you need to take it off, because you will need to put a few nuts from the inside out. So you can take a pry bar tool. These are just pop-in clips, but they will pop right out. When you have all these clips removed, you can kind of wiggle it over the ledge from the inside and put it aside again. Now from the inside of the door you can take the mounting bolts, which are these four with the appropriate brackets. The one with the recess goes on top, the square one on the bottom. Tip: when you're closing the door you can take some kind of foam, ball it up. When you're closing the door it will hold the bolts in position. And this will make mounting the cargo ladder much easier. Now you can take the cargo ladder again and test fit it onto the bolts. Now you have a bit of an indication where you need to tape off to drill the holes in. With the door closed again, you can take some masking tape and roughly work out this area, because you will need to mark where to drill the holes in. Now you can take the cargo ladder and mount it to the van. You can take the supply to standard nuts. Make sure these are finger tight. So you can now let go of the cargo ladder, and now you can adjust it so it's completely vertical to the van. You can take a marker and mark off the two holes from the inside here. When you have finished marking the holes, all you need to do is undo these bolts again and take the cargo ladder back off. Now for the serious part, you need to start drilling holes into your panel van. Make sure to center them. When you made the holes, make sure that you drill through both of the panels, because you will need to put a bolt on the other side. And all the metal shavings, clean them up both inside and outside. Also inside of the door, because those will start rusting once there is moisture in the van. Now with the tape removed, you can take some rust prevention to cover up all the bare metal. Now when you're going to fit the cargo ladder again, you have these two plates that are spacers because you fitted a reinforcement bracket. These go onto here. You can leave them lying loose for now and adjust them later to fit perfectly. Now you can take the cargo ladder again, and we can start mounting it for real this time. Again, use a tactic of using the two standard steel nuts. Put these on. With the cargo ladder now loosely fitted to the van, you can take the two M8x40 bolts, and you need to maneuver them behind here and into the van's bodywork. Now with the cargo ladder in place, you can align these two adjustment plates so that they line up with the edge of the cargo ladder. That's to make sure that the bump stops still work. Now you can take two of the lock nut bolts, fit these onto as well. Now with this roughly in place, you can make minute adjustments to have this cargo ladder perfectly vertical onto the van. Now you can open the door. Make sure to still hold the cargo ladder because it's not completely fastened. Now from the inside you can also remove all of the metal shavings. Now you can take the two M8 washers and the appropriate nuts and fit them onto the two screws that you can see from the inside, the two bolts. Now with these two in place and completely tightened, you can put the plastic caps on top of these. Then you can tighten these two so that the alignment is correct. And then you can take the lower and top hinge, these two, with the lock nuts, you can tighten them as well. And followed by removing these again and replacing them with lock nut versions as well. Now, as a very last step, you can take any kind of covering that you had on the inside of your door and place it back again. Now you have finished installing your cargo ladder on your Sprinter. Follow us for more, leave a comment, leave a like, and see you next time.